to subtract, okay? So I want you to take out a piece of paper and a pencil or a whiteboard if you have one at home. And when you hear Miss Hollinger say the word pause the screen, I want you to pause the screen and finish the questions on the screen, okay? And then come back and check your answers. Let's get started. Okay, so for this one, I want to subtract 48 minus 32 using base 10 blocks. Okay, so I want you to pause the screen and I want you to draw base 10 blocks for the number 48. Okay, so pause that screen. All right, so we have 4 tens to make 40, and we have 8 ones to make the 8 to make 48. Now I want to take away 32. So how many tens blocks should I remove? Good, 3. So I want to remove 3 tens blocks. How many ones blocks should I remove? Good, 2. Okay, so what do I have left? How many tens do I have left? And how many ones do I have left? Good. We have, let me just change my color here. We have 1 tens block and we have 6 ones blocks. So what number do we have here, boys and girls? What number? Good. We have 16. So 48 minus 32 is 16. Good work, grade 4s. Okay, so now we can actually solve this problem, 48 minus 32, by using a tens and ones table, okay? So we started out with 48, and we're subtracting 32. Okay, so we have 8 minus 2, which equals 6. And we have 4 minus 3, which equals 1, which equals 16. Okay, now we have 97 minus 46. I want you to pause the screen and I want you to draw base 10 blocks for 97. Okay, so pause that screen and do that now, please. So you should have 9 base 10 blocks, and you should have 7 ones blocks. But we're going to take away 46. So how many tens blocks do we need to take away? Good, 4. So I'm going to cross out 4. And how many ones blocks do we need to take away? 6. So I'm just going to circle these 6, and I'm going to cross them out, okay? So how many tens blocks do we have left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 tens blocks left over. And how many ones blocks do we have left over? Good, 1. Now we can show this using the tens and ones table. So we're going to write 97 and minus or subtract 46. Now 7 ones minus 6 ones equals 1 1. Good. And 9 tens minus 4 tens equals 5 tens. Very good, grade 4s. All right, now I want you to subtract 83 minus 21, doing the same thing that we just did here, but by yourself. So I want you to pause that screen and I want you to subtract do the question 83 minus or subtract 21. Okay, so pause that screen. Welcome back, grade 4s. Okay, so I have 8 tens rods and 3 ones, but we're subtracting 21. So how many tens rods do I need to cross out? Good, 2. How many ones blocks do I need to cross off? 1. Good. So how many tens rods do I have left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many ones blocks do I have left over? Let's count. 1, 2. So 83 minus or subtract 21 equals 62. Let's fill out the chart. So we have, excuse me, 83 subtract 21 equals. So we always start with the ones. 3 ones minus 1 1 equals 2. Good. 8 tens minus 2 tens equals, very good, 6. Do you notice how we get 62 for both answers? That must mean we could do either one to subtract. Okay, boys and girls, I want you to do the same thing for 75 subtracting 34, okay? So I want you to draw those base 10 blocks for 75, and then I want you to fill out the table and come back to check your answers. Okay, so I drew the base 10 blocks for 75, so I should have 7 10 rods. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I should have 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this represents the number 75. Now I'm subtracting 34. So how many tens rods do I need to cross out? Good, 3. 1, 2, 3. How many ones blocks do I need to cross out? 4. Very good. So I'm going to circle these 4, and I'm going to cross them out. Okay, so what number or how many tens rods do we have left? 4. And how many ones blocks do we have left? 1. Good. So 75 subtract 34 equals 41. Okay, let's use the table. So we're going to write 75 minus 34. Good. What is 5 ones minus 4 ones, grade 4? 1 1. Very good. What is 7 tens minus 3 tens equal to? 4. Good work. Okay, grade 4s, it is now time for you to pause the screen. I want you to draw base 10 blocks and use tens and ones chart, just like we did in the last slide for each question, okay? And then I want you to come back and check your answers. So pause that screen and get out a whiteboard or a paper and pencil. Okay, welcome back, grade 4s. So I want you to check your answers. For A, you should have gone 42. For B, 33. For C, 12. For D, 32. And for E, 12. Okay, and we're going to do F together. F together. So we have 96 subtract 54. So I need to draw out 9 tens blocks. And 6 ones blocks. Okay, now I'm subtracting 54, so I need to take away 5 tens rods. And I need to take away 4 ones blocks, so I'm just going to circle these 4. And I'm going to cross them out. So how many tens rods do I have left? I have 4 tens rods. And I have how many ones blocks? 2. Very, very good. Okay, let's put that into the tens and ones chart. So we have 96 minus 54. 6 ones minus 4 ones equals 2 ones. Very good. 9 tens minus 5 tens equals 4. Good. So you should have gotten, for 96, subtract 54, you should have gotten the answer 42. Very good, grade 4s. Okay, grade 4s, another strategy we can do when we are subtracting is we can separate the tens and ones using only numerals. Okay, so to do this for 36, we know we have 30 So we have 3 tens, which equals 30, and we have 6 ones, okay? For 24, we know we have 2 tens, which equals to 20, and we have 4 ones, okay? Now we're going to subtract this. So 6 ones minus 4 ones equals 2 ones. Very good. And we know 30 tens, or 30, so 3 tens, minus 2 tens, or 20, equals, so 30 minus 20, very good, 10. Now we're going to add 10 plus 2 together. What does 10 plus 2 equal? Good, 12. Okay, so we know 36 minus 24 equals 12. Okay, grade 4s, let's try 65 subtract 23. Okay, so we're going to separate the tens and the ones and then subtract. So 65, we know we have 6 tens, which equals to 60. And we know we have 5 ones. Okay, and for 23, we know we have 2 tens, which equals to 20. And we have 3 ones left over. 3 ones. Okay, so now we're going to subtract this. So 5 ones minus 3 ones equals to 2 ones. Very good. And we know we have 60 minus 20, or 6 tens minus 2 tens equals 40. Good. So we have 40 plus 2, which equals 42. So 65 subtract 23 equals 42. Okay, I want you to try to do this method, so the separating the tens and the ones and then subtracting for B, C, and D. Okay, make sure to check back on A to see if you're doing the same steps. Okay, come back and check your answers. Pause that screen. Welcome back, grade 4. So we are going to do B. We have 94 minus 31. We know if we are separating the tens and ones for 94, we have 9 tens, which equals to 90. And we have 4 ones. And we're going to take away 3 tens, which equals 30, plus 1 1. Okay, so 4 minus 1 equals 3. 90 minus 30 equals 60. So then we add 60 and 3 together, which equals 63. Okay, I want you to pause the screen and check your answers for C and D. Okay, now we're going to subtract 54 minus 23. But I want you to use any strategy you like that we worked on in this lesson. So you can either draw a base 10 model and use the tens and ones table, or you can do what we just worked on by separating the tens and ones, just like this, okay? So I want you to use either of those strategies to solve this question, 54 minus 23. So I want you to pause the screen and do that right now, please. Okay, welcome back, grade 4s. First, we're going to talk about the first strategy we used, which is drawing base 10 models and using the tens and ones chart, okay? So we have 54, so that's what you're going to draw using base 10 blocks. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens rods, and I have 4 ones blocks, okay? And I'm subtracting 23. So I took away 2 tens rods, and I took away 3 ones blocks. So now I only have 3 tens blocks, or tens rods, and 1 1